Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something super important for your career or business. Creating a standout LinkedIn profile. Whether you're a student, a seasoned professional, or just started with LinkedIn, having an updated, polished profile can open doors for new opportunities. So let's get started on how to edit and optimize your LinkedIn profile. First, open LinkedIn on your mobile device. Then go ahead and tap on the small profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and again tap on your profile. Go ahead and tap on the icon which looks like a pen right here. From here, you can edit things like changing your first name, last name, and many other things. If you want to change your profile picture, tap on your profile picture, then tap on View or Edit Profile. From here, tap on Add Photo. You can take a photo or upload from photos. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.